red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, green color, and brown color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and use red color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use black color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for van, W for wheel, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yellow color, dark purple color, light purple color, light green color, orange color, dark blue color, pink color, brown color, green color, and sky blue color. It's now you draw A. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. It's now you draw D. D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat. It's now you draw H. H for helicopter, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king. It's now you draw L. L for lion, M for moon, and N for nose. It's now you draw O. O for octopus, P for parrot, Q, Q for queen. It's now you draw R, R, R for rose. S for sun. T, T for teacher. It's now you draw U. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. It's now you draw X. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Red color, purple color, black color, light purple color, dark green color, light green color, light pink color, dark pink color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color, and light blue color. It's now you draw one. One, two, three, four, five. It's now you draw six. Six, seven, 8, 9, and 10. It's now you draw 11. 11, 12, 13. It's now you draw 14. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's now you draw 19. 19, 19, 20, 21, 22. It's now you draw 23. 23, 24, 25. It's now you draw 26. The numbers of 26. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.